Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it'd be fun if I did a reviewing a squishy part 1. This is going to be a new series. Every day I'm going to review one of my squishies or just something, and yeah, that'd be fun. So today I'm going to be reviewing this squishy. So yeah, hopefully you'll like the series. Comment down below if you don't like it. So yeah. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna be every Sunday. What do you mean? I mean every day. Why did I say every Sunday? So here it is. I keep it normally in this, but I just had it out because I was doing something. My nails are disgusting right now, literally. I had like 6 soccer games this weekend. Yeah, I'm about to paint my nails. I probably should have waited, so yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna start doing more, what's it called? I'm going to start filming, having 2 videos every day. I'll review a squishy, like I just said, and one of my normal uploads. So yeah, this I'm pretty sure is rare, and I think it's part of this one series by Sanrio, but I don't know. Let's take it out. This is licensed by Sanrio. It's really squishy. One thing I don't like about it is that air bubble right there. I normally do that, and I squish that paint. So yeah. There is the licensing of Sanrio. It will focus. It's not really focusing. Not gonna spend forever on that. Okay. Here is the tag with a red ball. It has a red ball chain. I love this tag. Actually, it's winter themed. Kind of Christmas themed because the ornaments and stuff. But yeah, and then it has this acrylic charm. For some reason, a different color. I would have done the same color ball chain, but you know, it's fine. It's not like I'm complaining. Here it is. It is this ice cream. It's like rubber, but it is actually pretty squishy, even though it's rubber. And only the cone is squishy, like the ice cream is not. Well, maybe if you really try, but the cone is squishy. So yeah, I really like this acrylic. Why do I keep saying acrylic charm? This, yeah, really like it. It's just kind of weird. Like, it's kind of long. I would have made it, what is it called? Shorter? Yeah. This is gonna be, normally they're gonna be really short, so if you don't like short uploads, sorry. They're only gonna be every day, like. So once I run out of squishies, I'm just going to start reviewing other stuff. And then I'm going to start reviewing the things I already have. Like, you know. So, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell to become part of my unicorn #Sucker Squishy Squad. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.